It was 2010, and it was the first time Alexander Osterwalder, writer of Business Model Generation, which was just released, came to the Netherlands for a workshop. And I had the opportunity to join that workshop, and it was really awesome. He started with a very good question, and they were all experienced business people over there, and they were in small groups, and he asked, please explain on one paper the business model of Apple in 15 minutes. And everybody was very shitty in it. And the point he was making is that if we do not have a unified language to develop a very important model, the way a business creates value, delivers value and captures value, then we will be very bad at developing those models and innovating those models, which is very important in a time where products get copied easily. And it's not only about great products, it's also about great business models to create enduring, competitive models that aren't easy to copy. And after that, he introduced to everybody the 9 building blocks of his business model, Canvas, giving everybody a unified language, a visual language, which made it more fun also, and more easy to develop those great business models. And that was very fascinating to me as a marketeer, because marketing strategy had the same problem. We have very great models to get some insights on what could be elements of marketing strategy. For example, a SWOT analysis or any other traditional model we have. But we are missing a framework to create winning models in a much easier way, in a much more inclusive way, enabling not only the wizards, the great consultants that have the knowledge and the experience to do something magical, but to enable much more founders and marketeers to create winning marketing models. And this is extremely important in a time where we have more choice than ever. We have more data, we have more tooling, we have more possibilities, more ideas, we can easily obtain knowledge. So it's not about more choice, it's about making better choices of all these possibilities out there. And this is why we need customer generation model design, which is a very extensive toolkit for anyone who wants to create winning marketing models and develop them in an iterative way throughout the time if the world changes around us. And this is what makes me so enthusiastic to share this with you. This is why this book is important. It enables more people to create winning marketing models.